The stack is one of the data structures. Then, as a data structure, we should be able to find the two sets of that. So stack data structure, first set is set of data. Set of data for ideally, for a stack ideally, any data could be stored. It could be a set of an integers, a set of real numbers, a set of cars, or a set of people. So any data should be okay for stack. And then set of operations defined for stack. There are many, but there are two primary operations, push and the pop operations. The stack is basically a storage where you can store a set of data, and ideally any data, and then how do you store and how do you retrieve is based on two operations, two primary operations called push and pop. So push is to store data into the storage called a stack, and the pop is to remove or to retrieve from the stack storage. Here, push and pop has a certain requirements, a certain properties there. That is, when you store data, you can use a push, but when you pop the data, which one will be popped out? The stack data structure defines the pop should remove the last entered data. The last entered data should be removed. What I mean by that is if I have a storage stack, for example here, I could do push 1, then 1 is stored. If I do push 2 at the second operation, then 2 is stored. If I do push again, then 3 is stored. Now if I do pop, which one will be removed? The last entered data, which is 3, so this one should be popped out. If I do pop again, at this moment the last entered data is 2, so 2 should be popped out. If I do pop again, at this moment last entered the data, the only one is 1, so 1 should be popped out. That is required. So the pop operation always remove the last data entered by push. So because of that, the stack storage has attribute called last in, first out behavior. So whatever entered as a last should be popped out. So in your implementation of a stack, so push operation, pop operation should satisfy last in, first out behavior.